This is a classic 4-turbofan engine swept-wing Boeing 747. But it's no ordinary plane. It's a jumbo jet on steroids. It's loaded with advanced electronics and cooling systems. Its shell is shielded by classified technology designed to withstand radiation. Its signature crown carries 67 antennae and satellite dishes. It's bristling with high-tech, top-secret gear.
This plane has to do certain things. It's been modified to do those things, and that's what separates it from a commercial 747.
But if the president steps on board, he'll step back in time. This was 1980's definition of cutting edge. The Nightwatch air fleet was actually delivered more than 30 years ago. The answer to the most dire threats America faces is a vintage plane.
In the event of a disaster, low tech can be very advantageous. The higher tech, the more electronics, you rely on more parts, it's more susceptible to breaking.
This is a workhorse, a no-frills jet built to last, so it will outlast disaster.
If a head of state or dignitary came on board, he wouldn't necessarily see our jet as glamorous, but it's not intended to be. It's intended to get the mission done.
Ops Team 2 is ready for duty. Then, a surprise alarm. The plane must be airborne in minutes. Regardless if today's flight is a drill or if today is doomsday.